short that showed you how to change the sheet tab colors, background tab colors to different colors. Somebody mentioned on my short that you could do this automatically. And so I figured out I would try to figure out how to do that. Now, what we have here is we have a number of sheets, and I'd like to have the sheets with the word total in it turn red. So you have total north, and then I have yearly total. So what I'm going to do is I am going to close this. So I'm going to go File and Close. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this file up again. And you can see that automatically when you open the sheet, all the tabs that have total in the name of the sheet or the name of the tab is now turned red. This is pretty simple, so let me show you how I did this. The first thing is I did private worksheet, private sub workbook open, and where you install this is you double click on the workbook itself. When you have your list of sheets here, and at the bottom is the workbook, and then you enter this code. So it says private sub workbook open, worksheet WS as worksheet, sheet name is a string. For each of the worksheets in the Active Workbook Worksheets, worksheet select if the in string, so if somewhere in the name is total. Now this is case sensitive, so it's looking for a total with a capital T and the word total somewhere in the name of it, then call redsheet worksheet, end if next worksheet. So what I'll do is I'll show you what the red sheet looks like. So the red sheet is simply with the Active Workbook ActiveSheet.Tab. You change the color tint, and this is the color tint for red. TintAndShade is 0 and width. And so basically, every time you name anything with total in it, it will when the workbook is opened, it will color the background color of these sheets red. This is very handy if you have a large number of sheets and you could change the word total to whatever you'd like to have highlighted. I will, of course, include all the code in the description of my video. Please subscribe.